Hi guys, today's lesson we are going to explain how to install Remote Connect tool VNC software. In previous lesson, we knew that after turning on Raspberry Pi, it will launch a Wi-Fi hotspot with a network named with the first letters HW. When connecting to the Raspberry Pi system via VNC, please disconnect other devices connected to the hotspot because it may affect the following operation. VNC remote connection means that VNC is connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot launched by Raspberry Pi and then enter the system of Raspberry Pi to check code or modify program. Therefore, you are required to prepare a laptop or desktop computer with wireless network card, support 5G frequency band. If the wireless network card is 2.4G frequency band, you may not be able to search for the hotspot launched by the Raspberry Pi. But do not need to worry, you can check the provided tutorial to modify frequency band. Okay, you can find the installation pack of VNC software in appendix. Now, I will show you how to install VNC software. After installing, connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot with the first letters HW. Double-click to open VNC. Enter the default IP address of Raspberry Pi in the VNC viewer. Then press Enter. We can see a pop-up prompt box. Enter the username and password. Then check the Remember Password box and then click OK. After entering the Raspberry Pi interface, a warning dialog box will pop up. Click OK to close it. If a black screen occurs, please restart the Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is the end of the video.